that's when the hiccups come in. Why every time I tell you how it feels like a hiccup, and you know the deal. Think, don't think before she speak, but you got me feeling